Hey, haven't posted an update for a while. I talked a little bit last week about how tough the week was, and it was, man. That week 5, I'm telling you, there was not a bowl of kids' nibbly things that I walked past that I didn't want. I've got to admit, there were times I went to the cupboard and I started rifling through the kids' Lucky Charms looking for those tiny little marshmallows. I gave in, I had some, I've got to admit I did. Man, I sucked the end of my wife's Twix just to get a little bit of chocolate in my mouth. Man, it was tough. I would have eaten anything. If you walked into my house with 2 dozen donuts and 4 pizzas, I would have had the lot. It was horrible. But this week I feel good. So I don't know what it was mentally or physically, but I was full of doubt last week. You know, this sucks, why I've been doing this, blah, 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 blah. I hated it. But I'm up. And this week's tougher. I've got harder goals. I've got to do 2 hours of cardio a day on top of my training, on top of posing. So I'm looking at 4 hours a day for the next 14 days. It's a full-time bloody job. And the only way I get it in before work is to start at 4 a.m. So by the time you get your raggedy ass on the freeway, I've already done my 4 hours. So anyway, look, I'm pumped. I'm looking forward to it. And just excited about seeing the results in the next month. Cheers.